Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into the parent Google account that manages the supervised profile. Once signed in, make sure Family Link and Google Play services are up to date. Outdated apps block options. On your phone, open Settings accounts to verify the child profile appears. Once done, open the Family Link app and tap the child's name to begin. This moves you immediately into the supervision controls you'll change next. You now access the controls. In Family Link, select the child's card, then tap Manage Settings to reveal controls on Google Activity and account options. Because disabling supervision affects sign-in and privacy, Family Link requires you to review each area, follow prompts for account info and sign-in and security. Make sure to authenticate with your parent credentials when prompted. Once authenticated, choose Remove Supervision or Stop Supervision where presented. The app will explain consequences. You finish by confirming the Remove Supervision option and following the app's final prompts. This will stop parental controls and may convert the child account to a regular Google account or require migration steps. Make sure the child device is nearby to accept any prompts or to sign back in. If the child's device still shows limits, try signing out and back in or perform a settings sync. If problems persist, update apps, clear Family Link cache. Then retry or contact Google support for account recovery help.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.